Hi everyone. Have you ever met someone who effortlessly brings people together? In times of conflict, they offer the safest hands, calming the storms with their wise words and guiding others towards peace and understanding. Who are they? Welcome to Connect Within TV. Let's explore one of the most unique personality type, INFJs. INFJ stands for introverted, intuitive, feeling, judging. They are also known as the idealists. INFJs are compassionate, creative, and intensely curious individuals. They view life from a uniquely personal filter and bring a fresh perspective to the world. With their unique blend of intuition, empathy, and thanks to their long-term vision, they are often driven to make a positive difference in the world. What's truly interesting about INFJs is, in the game of power, they quietly hold the keys. They are armed with irresistible magnetism, strong intuition, and a license to slam doors. Their presence is felt, but their true nature remains elusive, which makes them compelling and unforgettable. INFJs are like the James Bond of the personality world, calm, cool, and collected on the outside, but secretly plotting to change the world on the inside. They possess a unique superpower combining intelligence and intuition. They can analyze complex ideas, spot patterns, and sense what's beneath the surface. They're always thinking several steps forward, and their intuition rarely misses the mark. It's really spot on. INFJs can be overly hard on themselves. They are always aiming for flawlessness in all aspects of their lives to ensure everything is just right. They are super perfectionists, but they are indeed a super rare breed, making up only about 1 to 3% of the global population. That's right, they are also known as the unicorn of the personality world. Their uniqueness often makes them feel like they do not quite fit in, leaving them to navigate an unfamiliar world, searching for their peaceful place. INFJs are total brain seeds with an unexpected twist. Their quick thinking is like a superpower, and what really sets them apart is their clever sense of humor. They can turn even the most mundane conversations into a laugh out loud moment. They are super intuitive, super magnetic, and always a little mysterious. This blend can make them complex and hard to understand fully. Having hearts of gold, INFJs are amazingly understanding individuals. They are known for their exceptional empathy and selfless nature. It is as if they have a gentle guiding touch that helps people to see things from a whole new perspective. They indeed have a special place in the hearts of many people. INFJs are highly sensitive to energies. It is like they have a built-in sensor that detects the subtlest changes in someone's mood. They are always ready to offer a comforting word or a supportive shoulder to cry on. Their kindness is genuine, heartfelt, and inspiring. Despite their compassionate nature, they are surprisingly private and guarded. They carefully select those they trust and may come across as aloof or distant to others. Are you familiar with the infamous door slam phenomena in INFJs? If not, then think before you act. You see, INFJs are like the ultimate all-in personalities. When they are in, they are all in. Heart, soul, and every ounce of emotional energy they possess. They are like lovesick puppies following you around everywhere and showering you with affection. But here is the thing, if they reach their breaking point, they are out. They are really out. Like, I'm done with you and I'm never looking back. They suddenly disconnect when they feel hurt or emotionally overwhelmed, cutting off connection completely, often without explanation or warning. It is like they are slamming a door shut behind them, leaving no room for doubt, no chance for reconciliation, and no hope for revival. When their intuition tells them something is draining or toxic, they confidently choose to end it. They set firm boundaries and move on. INFJs value their feelings and emotional well-being above all. This self-protection mechanism helps them to preserve their emotional integrity, but it can be challenging for those on the receiving end. Despite their many admirable qualities, they have a flip side to their personality that can confuse others, such as they have high standards but they are grounded in reality. They are reserved but they possess a strong presence that can easily attract people. They value self-rule, yet they are highly compassionate and caring towards others. They strive for perfection, but they can be surprisingly flexible when needed. INFJs experience intense emotions, but they tend to hide them from others. Having a clear sense of right and wrong, they do not blindly follow others. They trust their judgment that makes it hard for them to compromise or back down. This strong sense of morality drives them to make a positive difference in the world. They generously share their knowledge and insights to help others overcome obstacles and reach their full potential. With their guidance, people can discover new strengths, build confidence, and grow both personally and professionally. This trait makes them incredible mentors. INFJs care deeply about helping others heal and grow. They are often drawn to careers in healthcare, psychology, social work, and education, anywhere they can make a positive difference in people's lives. Nevertheless, these ultimate listeners often struggle to articulate their own thoughts and feelings, which makes it hard for others to understand their thought process and lead to misunderstandings and emotional distance. But for them, this is what makes them so insightful and innovative. They channel their emotions into art, music, writing, or other creative outlets. For INFJs to truly flourish, they need to let go of one major thing: perfectionism. By releasing the need to be flawless, they can focus on being authentic and vulnerable. Learning to express their feelings is the key to unlocking their full potential. By the way, who knows, being quiet could be so powerful. Their willpower is unshakable. If you're trying to bash them, good luck with that. And that's a wrap on INFJ personality type. Did that resonate with you? Being an INFJ, what do you think? What triggers the slam, and why do you sometimes shut down completely? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.